Hi guys, welcome to another Tech Byte. In this Tech Byte, we have Renee here to help us explain the process that we're developing in order to get apps vetted and shared with all the campus or within particular grade levels.
So within this episode, you're going to see the process you would need to take, as well as an example of what actually the app does on the iPad, which is our goal every time we push an app, is to give you a short video on how to use the app and the different features it has.
So today I'm going to demonstrate to you the process for getting an app added to the iPads for teacher and student use.
The Destiny app that I'm going to show you allows users to search the Vita library catalog and access the information in a student or teacher's account. To access your account on the Destiny app, you need to connect with the URL, which is destiny.vistausd.org, and click Connect. As soon as it gets to this next screen, you're going to scroll down and find Vista Innovation and Design Academy. And then you have to have a Destiny account in order to log in. You could go as a guest, but you won't get as far with being able to save the things that you are searching for. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Destiny account. If you're not sure how to do your Destiny account, come and see me sometime and I will help you. Okay, so there's a few things along the left here that you can see. We've got the top 10 checkouts. We've got new arrivals in the library. By the way, I'm adding many new books, so there will be many new arrivals in that list. You can see any list that you may have made under your account, any books you have checked out, and a history of books that you've checked out. In addition to searching for books to read, you can use the search bar at the top to explore a research topic. So let me show you what that looks like. Let's say I'm doing research on samurai. Once that comes up, there are 3 tabs at the top. I want you to ignore the One Search tab, but as you can see, the Library tab is highlighted, and that shows you all of the different books that we have in the library here at Vita that have to do with samurais. Let's say I wanted website information. I click Web Path, and this will give me vetted websites that have been already evaluated and looked at and chosen by teachers and librarians and people who take the time to evaluate these things. So when you click on one of those websites, you tell it to open in your browser. You can see that it takes you out to the web, to this website where you can use all of the information for your research with your kids. You can also search for electronic books and read them using your device. You also need the Brightwave app. Our library has some electronic books, and we will be purchasing more. The Brightwave app is needed to read any of the electronic books in our library catalog. I'd like to demonstrate that one in person. I'm still working out a few of the details with that one, and it does work, but I don't have quite the right path to get there yet. So if you're ready to read electronic books, come and see me. The next step in vetting your app is to present it to your PLC. I've already presented these apps to our digital coaches and to Mrs. Martin in 6th grade, the My Little PLC. They agree these 2 apps would be very valuable for our students and teachers to use to access all of our library resources. In my case, these apps support the following Vita Tech goals. One is to extend the learning beyond the classroom lesson. These apps can be used 24/7 from home and school, and ebooks can be read anytime using the Brightwave app. An additional goal is to bring student collaboration into the 21st century with these apps. Students can recommend books to each other, they can write book reviews, as well as work together to find resources for research projects, kind of like what I showed you with the samurai. And lastly, we can make learning and teaching more effective and efficient. So Destiny Quest, along with Brightwave, the electronic book reader, are really great apps, and I hope that we as a site can make really good use of them using all of the resources that we have in our library. And I am available for questions or help at any time that I'm here. Thanks a lot.